Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block someone on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to block someone on Snapchat, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app and here just select the person which you want to block. Let's say I'm gonna select this one here. Just keep a long press on the chat and then select manage friendship and then select block from here. Or you can also tap on the chat, then tap into profile name here. Then tap on three horizontal lines or three dots at the top right. Then select block option from here. Then tap on yes. And the person will be blocked. And now if you want to unblock the person, just tap on the profile option at the top left. And here just tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right. And now just simply scroll down and look for the option of blocked users. And just look for the option here. Once you find, just tap on this option. And here you'll find all the users or all the person you have blocked. So let's say I'm gonna unblock this. Just tap on the cross option and the name, then tap on yes, and the person will be unblocked. So in this way, you can easily block or unblock someone on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.